Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize TalkBack's gesture to, double tap and hold with two fingers function in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for our TalkBack's gestures and how to change them. First we need to go to settings. In settings we're looking for accessibility, then TalkBack. Next, in settings, we are looking for customize gestures menu. And in here, we are looking for the two fingers section. So one finger back and forth, angle, and two fingers is here. So we want to double tap and hold. So here it is, double tap and hold with two fingers. And as you can see, by default, we have assigned a default option, but we can change to whatever we want from this list. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.